Most teams use Google Sheets to track projects, but assigning a row to someone isn't as simple as just typing their name. Hi, I'm Ryan, and today I'll show you the native way to trigger a task notification in Sheets and why you might want to skip the spreadsheet entirely. Method 1. People chip with the @ symbol in a cell. The quickest method to assign a task is to simply attach a teammate's name to the specific task. You do this by typing the @ symbol into a cell and then selecting the teammate's name. However, this does not notify the teammate of their assignment. They will have to check the sheet each time they need to know what is assigned to them. Method 2. Comment and assign. To use a different method that will actually notify them, type the @ symbol in the person's email. You must check the box that says assigned to. If you don't, they'll get a mention, but it won't be tracked as a formal assignment. Click assign to have the task appear on their Google Task to-do list. Now, that person receives an email and the cell is flagged. This is the standard free way to handle delegation within a document. This works for 1 or 2 rows, but once you have 50 tasks or 2 or more spreadsheets with multiple tasks in each one, the friction starts. You can't see all your assignments in one place, there are no reminders for overdue rows, and your task list is scattered across dozens of different files. This is why it's easier to use GQueues from the start. Instead of trying to force a financial accounting tool to act like a project manager, GQueues treats your work as actionable tasks from day one. In GQueues, you simply type the task and select an assignee. There is no right-clicking or hitting checkboxes. This task immediately appears on their central My Task list in their Google Calendar. Unlike a spreadsheet, GQueues automatically organizes these tasks by due date. You don't have to manually check the sheet to see what's late. As you and your team complete items and mark them complete, they move to the Archive tab of your list. This clears out clutter and helps you stay focused on the work that remains. You keep the collaboration of Google Workspace, but you gain the accountability of a dedicated system. It's about moving from tracking data to managing work. Check the link in the description for a free trial and be sure to subscribe for more productivity tips.